Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. Are 5mm wheel spacers safe for Mercedes?
5mm wheel spacers fill the wheel wells nicely without looking overdone. They're not wide enough to affect the bearings. Besides, the weight of a 5mm spacer is almost nothing. Installing quality 5mm wheel spacers is totally safe and harmless. In terms of the look, 5mm wheel spacers don't make a difference, but they do have positive effects on handling and performance. For those who plan on keeping the factory wheels and want to add larger brake calipers, wheel spacer will be a very useful solution. They increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake. For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use this extended wheel bolt. BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 wheel bolt is made by forging process, which is formed by continuous strong pressure. That brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. The 12-pintle shape design on the head of the wheel bolts can only be manufactured by a large tonnage machine for forging at one time, which further reflects BONOSS super forging process. The lightweight class of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. With these excellent characteristics, BONOSS wheel spacers bring safer driving and better handling for customers. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.